So you are here to lock your folder or files without any software, right? Then just apply the methods which I am showing here. At first, copy this code from this link. I have given this link in the description box. Kindly check it out. Now right click in the blank space and open text document. Paste the code. After that, you can set your password from this line. Simply select your password and delete it, then set your password tr123. You can set any password in this section. Now you have to save this file. Click here file option and save as. Here at the txt you have to type bat. After then click on save. Here you can see new text document .bat. Now you can delete this. Okay, now double click here. After that a private folder will be opened. Now keep all the files there and again click here. Are you sure to lock this folder? Here Y means yes, N means no. I have to type Y and press enter key. Here you can see the private folder is hidden. By this way you can lock your folder. Keep in mind, here you can see .bat. If you can't see BAT option, then click here view, show file name extensions. From here you can find the file extension name. Okay, now if you want to get back your private folder, then click on it and enter your password, then press enter key. After that you will get your private folder which you locked. By this way you can lock your any folder or files very easily. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thank you.